So we're back. We're going to work on the fuel door. You can see we wrapped it nice. It's going to go on here. It's a new one. It's a different style. It's got a closure. Got that off of Amazon. Pretty cool. It looks like it's snap-on based on the directions, so it should just snap in. What we need to do, though, is we need to get the cap off and put this on. We've got to put a couple mounting screws in. So I'm going to take this out. I'm going to push this up here like this. And yes, we can see the holes. And we got to find the right screw. Remember, we kept everything organized, so I'm going to take this and put it on our driver. Put the screw through here. Let's see if it's the right one for here first, because there's two sizes. That is the right one. So we're going to put that through this hole, put our screwdriver on it, put this up here, and start it. Then we can get another one. They're the small ones. Once those are snugged up, put your gas cap back on. It does not appear to have a hole for the, oh, maybe it does have a hole for the tether. So there's a place we can plug the tether in here. To push that in there, it ain't going to be easy, but we'll push that in there. But now this should go in here like this, and it looks like it should just be a just like that. So that's easy. Pushed it right in. The only thing we got left to do is this tether, and the tether needs to go in here. Let's try a socket extension. It's a nice blunt push. Yep, there we go. So now that's in. Now we put our gas cap on. There you go. I will check that out in a minute and show you another angle. So here you go, gas cap on. A little bit of camo to match. We don't know if we like that. We can always change it back to black by peeling the vinyl. That's a great thing about the vinyl. We do have a circle we cut out from here, but it isn't quite big enough to cover this, so that's why we didn't use it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Post notifications on. Don't miss the My Two Good Hands videos. Don't forget to use Amazon to buy stuff. It helps support the channel, and we really appreciate it. So catch you in the next video. We'll show you this Jeep when it's all done. So like and subscribe. Post notifications on. See you soon.